What's up, lads? Welcome back on this channel. We will speak today about the Apple glasses, which will reveal the new headset today, and this could bring Bitcoin to break the daily resistance line, the monthly resistance line, and this big extreme volume resistance line to the upside. And what we have today, or since yesterday, we have full moon, and usually on full moon, this is the gray circles, we see Bitcoin running to the upside. But another thing also, which I will share with you, this massive news from Apple could bring some Metaverse coins to run to the upside as soon as they will reveal the Apple Glass at 10 UTC, as they're writing here, or 10 AM PT. So watch out for this, brothers. If you appreciate this videos, this live stream, hit the like button. At the end of the live stream, I will cut down or cut out the best moments and will upload here on the shorts for everyone who cannot join the live stream right now. I try the live streams to do for you every day right now. So let's go right now and watch quickly what is happening here. We are still in this triple bottom, so we still form this triple bottom. And we got yesterday rejected here from this daily support line. However, it's not so bad still. It doesn't matter, because we have one more thing open. We have this full moon phases, and yes, it's a little bit astrology, but usually on full moon we have a 70 to 80% probability of a pump, right? I mean, I try to approach this in a mathematical way. So you see, always when we had a full moon, we had a 70 to 80% probability of a pump. Usually on new moon, this is the blue circles, we see always, or 70 to 80% based on the history, probability of a dump, right? So another thing is, we are watching here the total crypto market cap, and we are here in this symmetrical triangle. We are getting here squeezed like crazy. What it means, the more we are getting squeezed, the higher will be the explosion to the up or downside. So watch out for the total crypto market cap. We've been in this channel, but right now we are getting squeezed in this symmetrical triangle. So I'm expecting a massive break up or break down to the upside. Nobody knows will it break up or break down, but we are discovering with you together today the big picture, in which I try to explain that I think that we will break to the upside. But as soon as we break to the upside, this is a clear long opportunity. In case we are breaking to the upside, this to the downside, it's a clear short opportunity. Also, we see the dollar right now. We got perfectly rejected here on this weekly candle. You see here this red candle. We got perfectly rejected on our this red field. You see, as soon as we broke down this field in 2022, November 2022, I told you we'll see Bitcoin running to the upside, and this is what happened. Then the dollar ran to the upside, Bitcoin dumped, dollar ran to the downside, Bitcoin pumped, dollar ran to the upside, Bitcoin dumped. If the dollar further dumping to the downside, we will see Bitcoin pumping. So another indicator which you have definitely to save. So one is the total crypto market cap, another one DXY. Please make sure you have them. So what I want to see, however, is that Bitcoin breaking up this resistance line. It was previous a support line. You see support, support. Then we broke the support. Then we had a fake out to the upside. But I want to see a break to the upside beside the daily and monthly resistance line. So above 27,600, I want to see at least a breakout, and this is potentially what could happen today with this Apple event, which is very strongly connected to crypto. I tell you in a second why. So beside the fact that we have to break 27,600, we have also to break this line at 28,100. This is the biggest resistance line. This is where extreme volume coming in at 28,100 approximately. And in case we are breaking 28,100, we're breaking also this white massive resistance line, which is since April 2023. This will be highly bullish for Bitcoin. What the danger is, obviously, the danger is in case we are breaking the monthly support line, in case we cannot hold the monthly support line 24,800, then the danger is that we are breaking still, and it's still it's still going on, that we are breaking here to 21,100 to close our CME gap. It's still on. Watch for this very important is we got rejected on the Bitcoin dominance chart. The Bitcoin dominance chart is showing us always when we see a dump in the Bitcoin dominance chart, we see usually altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. Wow, I have so huge spider here. Wait a minute, I have to show you. Look at this, man. Fuck, this one is a very huge one. This is great. I hope he will not jump on me. Короче, in the moment when we are getting here rejected, it speaks for that altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, right? So in case we are breaking it to the upside, we will see Bitcoin outperforming altcoins. And if we're speaking about altcoins, we see here Ethereum, as I told you last week, broke here this massive 5-6 months resistance line. This is the Bitcoin Ethereum chart, and it seems we are retesting here this line right now. You see, we are retesting this line right now. And in case we are past the retest and break to the upside, it means Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. I'm watching the whole time the spider, man, he's so huge, blood. I hope it's not a dangerous one. Okay, doesn't matter, bratans. Maybe it will be my last live stream. So we see here. Does anyone know which type this is? As we see here right now, the Ethereum chart, we perfectly broke above this resistance line as we spoke last week. We retested perfectly, and right now we are retesting the monthly support line. You see here the monthly support line, and in case we are past the retest, we will see Ethereum breaking further to the upside. The price target is at least $2,100. Maybe I help her a little bit to go somewhere else. Maybe, wait a minute. I switched to the bigger time to the bigger. Wait a minute. So you see it a little bit better. Where is it? This one. You see? Maybe it should go. I mean, it looks not huge here, but it is actually. Oh, yo, man. The crazy thing is they can also jump, you know. Yeah, you see here. Okay. The BTC killer spider, yeah, man. Okay. Maybe he wanted to just to check out also the live stream, the Bitcoin charts, blood. Wait a minute, blood. I have to. Okay, to everyone who has no time, there will be anyways a quick cut from this live stream. Okay, Poche, a little bit like Quentin Tarantino picture. Okay, so is it Tarantula? No, Tarantula is too small. This is a too small one. Tarantula is like fucking like a huge dick. So let's go further. Wait a minute. So we are watching Ethereum. As I told you, in case we are breaking monthly support line and we are breaking back this resistance line to the downside, this would be highly Dayobane rot. Why is Streamlabs opening? I hate Streamlabs. Streamlabs is very bad. Wait a minute. So in case we are breaking this support line to the downside, this will be very bearish for Ethereum, right? So right now I'm expecting Ethereum further to go to 2,100. It obviously depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumping like crazy to downside to $20,000, it's not possible that Ethereum will pump to $2,000. It depends. So if we see Ethereum outperform Bitcoin, and in case Bitcoin is in a consolidation or pump, then we could see Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin. But not in the case of Bitcoin dumping like crazy. Ethereum will not pump against Bitcoin if Bitcoin dumping. You understand what I mean? If not, I'm sorry for that. So let us quickly watch. So which coins could potentially pump on this today's event when everyone will, like a stupid piece of shit, walking with his Apple glasses in your favorite village? one token or one project called Render, they are working closely with Apple. They're planning to expand blah blah for the iPhone and iPad by enabling users to direct upload their work to the Render network. And this is quite huge. But wait a minute, before you start putting all your money in this coin, let us quickly go on CoinMarketCap and choose here the category Metaverse. You see category Metaverse, so you choose the category Metaverse, and here you have all this Metaverse coins which could potentially pump because of this massive news. And you remember, bratans, it's always in crypto, it's so stupidly easy. If we have the meme narrative, you can watch, you go on CoinMarketCap, watch the meme coins, and it's usually one then another and another are pumping. If we see the Metaverse narrative, we see usually the Metaverse coins going to the upside, the most of them. If we see the IE narrative, we will see usually all IE coins pumping. If we see the NFT narrative, all NFT coins, NFT projects usually pumping. So right now we are in the Metaverse narrative, which could last for 1 week. It depends how big this event will be, how amazing these glasses will be, and how much they will speak about crypto and Metaverse in this today's event. But before you throw your money in this Render token, which seems to be very bullish, be careful because it's already priced in my opinion. It's already priced in. If we are watching the chart, if we're watching on the yearly basis, we see since end of January, we pumped here over, I don't even know, 5x. We did over 5x. So we've been at 40 cent here approximately. You see here, we've been at 40 cent approximately, and we pumped here, it was 40 cent, yeah, and we pumped here to $2.65. So in my opinion, right now it's already priced in. I would wait until the hype is cooled down and watching for this coin for the bull market 2024, 2025. So I wouldn't buy in this pump right now. In my opinion, not financial advice, you do what you want. It could be that we see another pump from this coin if they will say we are working in this event. If they will say we are working with Render token, what I don't think that they will say, then we'll see it exploding like crazy. We see the market cap, and this is what you have to watch. Don't watch the price, it doesn't matter. Watch always the market cap. The market cap of this coin is $1 billion, fully diluted $1.5 billion. So we could see from here in the bull market easy 5 till 10x. So this could be a potentially, in my opinion, as long as they're working with Apple together, a massive blue chip project. And fuck, the spider is not going away, man. Why? The thing is, I'll be honest with you, I never would also kill it, but right now it's going under my, I don't want that it will join my my feet, you know. You see? Wait a minute, I have to have a small fight with her. Wait a minute. 1 second, I have just to double check why it's here. 1 second. I'm coming. It's so fast. Wow. There are so many spiders, and I mean they are good because they are killing all these fucking mosquitoes which are eating me while I'm doing here research for you all. Right now it's watching to my microphone. Давай, блядь. Давай, ёбаный в рот. Go, here's nothing to eat. Go here, eat. Crazy, it wants to fight with me. Okay. Sucker, блядь, okay. So, where we've been. I'm back again. The spider is gone. It's not gone yet, but yeah. So another Metaverse coin which I'm watching out for is obviously we have Decentraland. Mana. Decentraland was one of the biggest winners in the previous bull run, and they are, if we are watching the chart, they are down like nearly 99%. I mean, we've been at $5 in the bull market. Right now we are at 50 cents. So this could be a potentially an altcoin which we could buy for the bull run. However, I would be very careful because the game is pretty shit, right? Why they've been why there's so much money pumped into this coin, into this project, because they've been one of the first in this metaverse. So usually when a narrative begins, we have shitty projects like, you know, on the iPhone, there've been an app when iPhone was revealed. I think there was an app for farting. You could only use farting. So nobody knew what to do with these apps. But right now you have all these fancy apps where you can track your weight and your ёбаный ты в рот, сука, блядь. Fuck man, I am here living like in a jungle. What the fuck? Короче, you understand what I mean. Therefore, be very careful with this. However, we have here some blue projects like Stacks, or we have a Musk network or Engine Coin, which are Floki, it's not so blue chip project, which I'm watching for. And the more you go down in the total crypto market cap, the less the total market cap is, and the less the total market cap is, the higher the rewards could be. Because you see here, approximately, if we are choosing, let us choose, for example, there is a game called Illuvium. It's 165 million total market cap. So in case they're reaching 1 billion market cap, like ApeCoin, for example, they would do a 5x, because from 200,000 market cap to 1 billion market cap is 5x, but it's also more risky. You understand what I'm talking about? If you understand, please write me 1 in the chat right now. This is what we... Spider, like you, yeah, he likes my TA. And let us right now quickly go on the big perspective. Let us quickly go on the big perspective of Bitcoin right now, because the most important thing is that we understand that we are sitting in the right vehicle, because we can make so much TA how we want. If the whole crypto space is a scam, then we will lose anyways our money. Therefore, we have always to watch the big perspective, how the Bitcoin, all this Bitcoin and crypto narrative is developing. And in my opinion, it's developing pretty good, because we see here, for example, the Bitcoin network hash rate. It's higher than ever before. It means there are more and more miners joining the network. It's getting more and more secure. The higher the network hash rate, the more miners, the more secure the Bitcoin network. We see also on this chart active addresses. In overall, the active addresses are moving to the upside. You see, even though the price is dumping, we're creating higher highs. The orange line is the Bitcoin network addresses. We see we're creating higher highs, and we see the Bitcoin addresses overall in an all-time high. So we are, in my opinion, on the right path. Also, we see some negative news regarding crypto from the US coming, which is quite positive, because we have always to do the opposite what US is doing. Also, we see more and more countries adapting Bitcoin. For example, we see Hong Kong adapting the... Сука, блядь. Hong Kong, you see these fucking mosquitoes eating me up, ёбаный ты в рот. Иди сюда, блядь. For example, Hong Kong is adapting crypto, and it means you have to watch the bigger perspective, because everyone is jerking on this news, but it's not about that on the 1st July we see crypto exploding. We didn't saw crypto exploding on the 1st June. We didn't saw it, right? Because, as I told you, it's a big... We have to watch it long term, because it opens the window to Asia, to China. Hong Kong is like a small test drive for China to see how it will work out. And as soon as everything will be fine with the adopting of crypto in Hong Kong, China will open as a whole country up. And China, you know, there's a changing world order. China is the new leading country on the big world order chess plate, or how you want to call it, and it opening for trillions and trillions of dollars, which could move potentially into crypto, into Bitcoin in the bull market 2024, 2025. This is what you have to watch. So this news is massive. This is what you have to watch. So we are, to summarize it, we are in the right way. In my opinion, not a financial advice. We are very early. We are in the right way. And I see after the halving that Bitcoin could easily go to 140K. We have here someone is telling even that Bitcoin could after the halving could go to 160K. You see it here, to 160K. The first target, he says, even before the halving is 48K. I don't think that we will reach before the halving 48K. In my opinion, before the halving, we could see Bitcoin at 35K, but not at 48K. If we are watching here, quickly, wait a minute, where is it? If we are watching here the big perspective, 1 second, opening the big perspective, where is it? Blood, here. So if you are watching on the bigger picture, we see we see the halving is in April, and we see the price target of this big pattern. If we are connecting the dots, is around 140K, but not 160K. I would be happy if we're reaching 160K. And I don't see Bitcoin reaching 48K because we have here a massive resistance line which is coming at around, wait a minute. A massive resistance line which is coming here at around 30, wait a minute, I have to lock. With a massive resistance line which is coming at around 36, 35K, this is a resistance line which is since 2020. So therefore, I don't expect that we will go above 35, 36K in this relief rally, bratans. If you have any questions, bratans, write me down below. On Bybit, we have $1,000 free long or short position for my day and hourly traders. You can check it out right now. Link down below for everyone who want to see which portfolio I'm building, which altcoins I'm buying. Because yesterday, for example, I show you. Wait a minute. We are in the live stream. I will anyways cut together this live stream after the live stream. Yesterday I bought some altcoins for my long-term portfolio, and I want to share with you here quickly. So we have here, oh shit, I cannot share it. Wait a minute, I have to do it differently. Okay, never mind. I tell you, maybe I show you here on my phone. Wait a minute. So yesterday I bought IDEX, for example. You see here, I posted a picture. I bought IDEX. I bought yesterday Pepe for my long and midterm portfolio. And I bought Phantom. And I bought Sui. So in this group, I show you which portfolio I'm building for the bull market 2024, 2025, because you have always to watch the big picture. You can outperform the market by leverage trading in the short term, but I would never use more than 1% of your whole portfolio. 99% of your whole portfolio should be long-term investment, watching the bull market 2024, 2025. In this Telegram group, I show you which portfolio I'm building. Link is also down below if you want to join. We are a very small group. I'm answering there also all the questions because there are not so many people. I'm very happy about it, bratans, so it's not much work for me. So, bratans, thank you everyone for watching. Did you like the live stream? Do you have any questions? Let us try. Do you have any questions? Write me down below the questions. Oil production is declining. Will this have an impact on the price of Bitcoin? If the oil production is declining, and it depends always. So if the oil production, is a very good question. If the oil production is declining, but the demand for the oil production is increasing, we will see the oil price is shooting to the upside, and I'll show you here. And usually if we see, this is what we have always to watch, usually if we see the oil price is going to the upside, and this would happen if the oil production is decreasing but the demand is increasing, we would see obviously the price of oil going to the upside, and then we would see Bitcoin dumping to the downside, because if the oil price is moving to the upside, your products getting much expensive, which means the economy is slowing down, because your pencil which you are buying has to deliver to your supermarket, and it will be delivered with a truck, and this truck needs gas, and if gas is expensive, your pencil getting also much more expensive. Therefore the economy would slow down, therefore we would see Bitcoin and all the risk assets would go to the downside. So watch out here for the oil price. Always watch out, because we are retesting here right now always this support line, and in case we are breaking the support line to the downside, it will be so bullish for Bitcoin. We want to see it, because if the oil price is cheap, we will see Bitcoin running to the upside, because the economy would start to going faster, because the product's getting much cheaper. Dr. Schultz asking, will there be more crypto Elon Musk effect due to Twitter adapting crypto? Your mind? I think we could see possibly that Elon Musk would, in the bull market watching 2024, 2025, pump more crypto, the whole crypto industry. Why? Because he's very bullish on Dogecoin, what we know, and potentially the crazy thing is CZ, or Binance, MetaMask and Twitter working together to build something like WeChat in China, so that you can, through Twitter, ordering food, you can chat through Twitter, you can all this shit doing only through Twitter. And potentially we could see Musk, so MetaMask's native token Musk, called Musk, running to the upside, Binance native token BNB running to the upside, and potentially also Dogecoin, because Dogecoin should be like the currency for trading on Twitter. This is potentially what they want to implement in Twitter. So watch out for this news. And this news, if they're working, I'm very sure, you can just Google yourself, they're working in the background on it, and they will not release this news right now because it doesn't make sense, because this economy slowed down. They would not expect so much cash would flow into this project. So therefore, I think they're waiting for the bull market 2024, 2025, when they will reveal it, and then we will see Dogecoin going to $1 at least. Musk with the native coin of MetaMask, Musk, will go at least 10x, and also BNB are expecting at least 10x in the bull market. Excellent live stream, thank you very much. Can I buy your car behind you? I actually really selling this car, so if you want to buy it for 450,000, I am selling this car right now, because it doesn't matter, it's another story. Nice stream, Bratan, have a good day. Thank you, Bratan. I paid for this car 500,000. Do you believe that the bottom is in? Obviously nothing is certain, but just an opinion. So according to our big picture chart, the bottom is in. Yes, according to the big picture chart, the bottom is in. However, nobody knows it, obviously, but if we are watching the big perspective, we had always a year after the all-time high. You see here was the all-time high, and a year after, wait a minute, I have to zoom in. So here was the all-time high in 2014, 2013. No, wait a minute, this was 2014 approximately. And then we reached the bottom exactly 1 year after, and the same happened also 2017. Here was all-time high, the bottom reached 2018, so it was exactly 1 year. And right now, at November 2021 was our all-time high, and November 2022 we reached the bottom. So according to this, we reached the bottom, but nobody knows. I answered the question about Bitcoin bottom. Thank you, Bratan. Question, what do you think about Tesla? Is there more space to grow? I don't know a lot about Tesla, Bratans, to be honest, but wait a minute, Tesla chart, let us quickly watch. But I know a lot of my friends are very, very bullish on Tesla, and if we are watching right now the Tesla chart, my friends bought Tesla here at around $100. When it dumped to $100, they've been very bullish, so they're expecting that Tesla could go at least to $400. I mean, for me, it's not so interesting. It's more for the diversification. but maybe it can go 5x from here, but it also depends how they will expand, because my friends are very bullish on Tesla because they say they're building this Tesla bots and it's like Apple, it's like the new Apple, and yes, therefore they are very bullish on it. BTC analysis I did today already. You will see it. You can watch it right now watch back in the live stream, or wait until a cut down is coming. Wirst du einen Kanal auf Deutsch machen? Momentan noch nicht, Bratan. I think it has bottomed, yes. Greece back. Wow, this spider is so huge. Fuck, man. Any crypto events worldwide you are attending this year? Possibly I will attend in September the Formula 1 in Singapore. I got invited. Possibly I will look in it. I will join it. Can we look at Gala? For sure we can look at Gala. Let us watch together in Gala, bratans, because Gala I bought also, and wait a minute, Gala I have also here. Gala I bought last week, I think. I bought also Gala. Let us watch together in Gala, because Gala I'm very bullish on. This is one of the big narratives of 2024, 2025 of the bull market is GameFi, and obviously it depends how Gala, how the whole project will do. But if we are watching only the technical analysis, we see Gala is also nearly, I mean, it's over 99% had the dump, nearly 99% dump. So there's a, this is could be, if you believe in this project, what they're building, this could be a very, very nice opportunity to dollar cost average right now into it, because we're expecting Gala obviously to go to all-time high. So it would be at least 10, 20, 40, it would be at least a 50x from here, potentially. A 40x, 10, 20, 30, 40x from here. So potentially we could see here a 10, 40x from here. In my opinion, I'm buying also Gala because I'm believing also in this project, but I have not so big bags in Gala right now. And Gala has also not so huge market cap, which is very, very good. Think Ethereum will 10x? Possibly. Ethereum could do 10x, yes. HBAR, I don't know a lot of it about it. Can we look Sui? Yes, Sui we can look, because Sui I bought also yesterday, as I showed you. Sui, we have, wait a minute, where I have Sui? Here. Sui is right now finding or searching for bottom. If we are watching, wait a minute, if we are watching Sui on the total crypto market cap, we see, wait a minute, Sui has a very huge market cap. I mean, this is a blue chip project. It has, but it has a market cap only, if we are watching, we could say it's only 500 million, but the fully diluted is over 10 billion. Right, so the market cap is huge. However, I expecting Sui, this is one of the blue chip projects, I expecting Sui to go at least 10x from here. We see right now Sui is searching for bottom. I think the bottom is around between 90 and 80 cents. So I'm buying right now. I'm dollar cost averaging the whole time here into Sui, because I expecting Sui at least to go from here at least to $5 in the bull market. It's not a financial advice, do your own research, but I like to compare Sui with Aptos because they are like competitors, and Aptos has right now a market cap of $1.7 billion, and if we are watching the market cap of Sui is right now 500 million, so I expecting Sui in the immediate short term to do at least a 3x from here. So I'm buying it. 100x altcoins I can suggest you for the next in the next video, Bratan, but one of this is Cubic, which we bought with in our Telegram group, because you cannot buy it right now anywhere. we bought it directly from the miners because I'm in contact with the miners, and I'm actually right now starting also to mine myself. It's cubic. I did a video also on this channel about it. It's in my opinion a blue chip project, but also can go to zero. But it's from one of the founder of IOTA. Can you look in RAD? I don't know this project. It's Radium, no? Let me later look in it, because can you look at Tezos later, Bratan? When did you start crypto buying and investing? 3 years ago, 2 years ago, Bratan. Yeah. Okay, Bratans. I will go right now. Thank you everyone for watching. A cut down of this video will be here. I will upload it also, and you will see it in the YouTube shorts also here on this channel. So if you want, you can check it out, or on Twitter, Bratans. Go right now and check out on Twitter, because here I will upload my Twitter account. Wait a minute, where is it? You see it here, Slavic Crypto, it's called. Here I will upload the cut down, the fast cut down of this live stream, Bratans, in HD, in full HD, and also the quick cut downs of every topic which we spoke today about, if you missed the start, Bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and